Hello, advanced students. This is your assignment video for the week of January 25th through the 29th. You have two things to do. Neither one of them is going to take you that terribly long. So let's take a look at it. First thing I want you to notice is that I already had done lessons 4.1 and 4.2 into a folder, but I also put the last couple of weeks lesson 4.4 into a folder. So let's get to this week. First thing, you are going to watch this assignment video before you come to your scheduled Google Meet. I have a Google Meet with Cohort 1 on Tuesday and Cohort 1 on Thursday. The question of the week will be at the end of the video, so I will talk about that in a minute. So the second thing is lesson 4.3. It is on proportional relationships. The video and the practice is in Go Formative. And I think there's 12 questions in Go Formative, so it won't take you very long at all. And lesson 3 is a continuation of lesson 4.4. We've talked about slope-intercept form being y equals mx plus b, m being the slope, b being the y-intercept. But now you are going to graph it. You're going to take that information and you are going to graph the slope-intercept form. So the video is attached in the link, so you're going to watch it. And then there is a PDF of that for your homework, the 4.4 graphing homework. You're going to put it into Notability. There's 8 questions that you're going to graph, and you're going to submit it to this assignment. And I will give you credit once I see it. So 3 things: assignment video, 4.3 in Go Formative, and 4.4, the graphing piece of it in Schoology. So the question of the week, here's your question of the week. Are you all caught up? Here's what I want you to do. I don't want you to check Campus right now. I want you to check Campus on Tuesday morning. So Cohort 1, you'll definitely see it before our Google Meet on Tuesday afternoon. But starting Tuesday morning, check it. I have some scores in there already, but they're not saved yet. I haven't put them to where they're going from there. Some of the homework that I'm correcting is taking me a little bit longer than I want it to, but I am going to be done by Tuesday morning. So when you come to your scheduled Google Meet, then be ready to tell me your answer on your next Google Meet. Because we have 2 short assignments, you should be able to finish up anything that you're not done with. So we can talk about it on Tuesday. So assignment video, which you should be watching right now, 4.3 in Go Formative, and 4.4, the graphing piece of it, in Schoology. And let me know if you're all caught up. Have a great week. Let me know if you have questions.